Hi guys, this is Suraj, and I have come up with this new question. The role of President of India is like an old man in family who has all the authorities. However, he cannot do anything effective if the naughty young members of family do not listen him. Evaluate. Uh, UPSC, BPSC, relevant. तो हम लोग स्टार्ट कर सकते हैं, ब्रेकअप करते हैं, इसको समझते हैं। ओल्ड मैन किसको कहा गया है? प्रेसिडेंट को। कभी कहीं गवर्नर को रबर स्टैम्प, ये सब टर्म भी दिया गया है। तो क्विकली इसे खत्म करते हैं। दैट्स अ कॉमन एनालॉजी यूज्ड टू डिस्क्राइब द रोल ऑफ प्रेसिडेंट ऑफ इंडिया। द ओल्ड मैन एनालॉजी ऑथोरिटी, द प्रेसिडेंट होल्ड सिग्निफिकेंट कॉन्स्टिट्यूशनल ऑथोरिटी तो है इनके पास। दे आर द हेड ऑफ द स्टेट, सुप्रीम कमांडर, आर्म फोर्सेस, possess the power to grant pardons. They assent to the bills, पार्लियामेंट, इसके बिना लॉ नहीं बन सकता है। दे अपॉइंट की ऑफिशियल्स। एक इंटरव्यू में देख रहा था, उसमें पूछे कि प्रेसिडेंट का सबसे इंपॉर्टेंट काम क्या है, so that was the appointment of prime minister, the most important work of president, including the prime minister, judges of supreme court and high court and governors. Now limited direct action in a parliamentary system like India, the president is largely ceremonial head. तो ये आएगा कीवर्ड ceremonial head. The real executive power lies with the prime minister and the council of ministers. Generally acts on the aid and advice. मैं एक वीडियो लेके आऊंगा जिसमें प्रेसिडेंट का डिस्क्रिशनरी पावर क्या है और व्हेन प्रेसिडेंट एक्ट्स ऑन एड एंड एडवाइस, तो दोनों में डिफरेंस क्या है मैं बताऊंगा उसमें। ऑफ द काउंसिल ऑफ मिनिस्टर, दे कैन नॉट बी इंडिपेंडेंटली इम्प्लीमेंट पॉलिसीज, खुद से नहीं कर सकते हैं, और डायरेक्टली इंटरफेयर इन द डे टू डे फंक्शनिंग ऑफ द गवर्नमेंट। नॉटी यंग मेंबर्स, क्योंकि कम एज के होते हैं। आई थिंक 25 इज फॉर लोकसभा एंड 30 इज फॉर राज्यसभा, एमपी का बात कर रहा हूँ। The naughty young members represent the elected parliament and council of ministers. If the government has a strong majority, the president's role becomes even more symbolic. The president's ability to exert influence depends on the political situation. Potential for influence, however, the president can play a crucial role during the political crisis, such as hung parliament. Keyword: during hung parliament, president exercises discretionary power or breakdown of the constitutional machinery. 356 article on report of governor. President imposes this state emergency. They can use their discretion to invite leader to form the government or recommended president rule in the state. The president can also delay a bill by returning it one time to the parliament for reconsideration. Examples in Indian context: President K.R. Narayan 1997 से लेकर 2002 तक, during period of political instability, he played a crucial role in advising the government and ensuring constitutional propriety. He returned the recommendation of president rule in the state of Bihar in 1997 and asked the cabinet to reconsider. This action showed the president's ability to use his discretion. So K.R. Narayan, remember, for Bihar. He also expressed his concern about the Gujarat riots of 2002. President ज्ञानी जैल सिंह 1982, याद रखना है, ये थे राजीव गांधी को ओथ दिलाए थे हॉस्पिटल में जब इंदिरा गांधी का एसेसिनेशन हुआ था। गवर्नमेंट गिर सकता था, कांग्रेस को कमान देने के लिए ज्ञानी जैल सिंह को हॉस्पिटल जाके उनको शपथ दिलाना पड़ा। His relationship with the Prime Minister Rajiv Gandhi was strained. There was a speculation that he might use his discretionary power to dismiss the government, but he ultimately did not. This example shows that even though the president has authority, using it as a complex एंड पॉलिटिकली सेंसिटिव मैटर, प्रेसिडेंट प्रणब मुखर्जी, ये तो बहुत ज़्यादा न्यूज़ में थे बिकॉज ये थे आईएनसी से और 2014 में बीजेपी गवर्नमेंट आया पावर में. They played a crucial role in giving assent to many important bills. He also displayed his ability to give sound advice to government. Yes, sound advice to government. Conclusion: the old man, naughty young members, essence of president role in India. While they possess significant constitutional authority, the ability to exercise the authority is constrained by the parliament. Constraint रोका गया है parliament के द्वारा. And political realities of the day. They can, however, play a vital role upholding the constitution and ensuring political stability, especially during the time of crisis. I will bring one more video where I will add more important facts related to this topic because I think this bit of information is very less in this kind of topic where the role of president is involved, because we have numerous example. So stay tuned, मैं लेकर आता हूँ कुछ दिनों में. Thank you.